Today, we're launching COVU OS, the core operating layer of our new AI-native operating stack for insurance distribution. COVU OS doesn't add AI to legacy workflows. It rebuilds the workflow itself. Every request gets understood, enriched with context, broken into structured tasks, and matched to the right execution layer. AI, automation, offshore, or licensed agents based on skill, compliance, complexity, and cost. When the task becomes the unit of work, operations become visible, controllable, and continuously optimizable. Handle time, total labor cost, cost per task, time to resolution, all measurable in real time. COVU OS isn't just a system of record, it's a control plane that changes both economics and outcomes. We've already shown 2 times EBITDA improvement on acquired books, with a path to 3 times over time as more workflows move onto the stack. COVU OS is live. The operating layer insurance has been missing. This is how insurance distribution work gets rebuilt for the AI era.